Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me Nambie. In today's video, I am going to make a very special dish from the people who call themselves the Yaktungs. They are commonly known as the Limbu people, and which actually translates as the heroes of the hills, and they reside in the hilly areas of Nepal and in India in Darjeeling and Kalimpong. They are very much part of the northeastern society and they have some pretty amazing cuisines. And today I'm going to make a dish made out of fermented soya beans. It is called Kinema Ko Jhol, which actually translates as the gravy of fermented soya beans. So let's go inside and cook. The ingredients required to make this dish are 1 cup of dry kinema or fermented soya beans, 1 medium-sized onion, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, salt to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 to 3 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and coriander for garnishing. The first thing that you need to do is rinse the kinema gently and soak it in about 2 cups of water for about 10 to 15 minutes. And remember not to throw away the water, we will use this as a gravy to cook the dish. Now let's heat some oil in a deep pan. Looks like the oil is heated, let's add the onions and the garlic. I forgot to mention this earlier, but remember to chop the garlic at least into halves. Let's add the turmeric now to give it a beautiful golden color. Now let's add the kinema. First thing that you need to do is drain the kinema of its excess water and fry it for about 5 minutes. Now we can add the tomatoes and cook it till it disintegrates. The tomato has turned pulpy. Now let's add the water where the kinema was soaked in. I'll give it about 10 minutes for the jhol to cook, and don't forget to garnish it with fresh coriander. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and make yourself a Kinema Ko Jhol at home. I'm going to enjoy mine and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from our place. This dish is an absolutely delicious dish, but don't forget to keep your windows open and your exhaust fans on. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.